वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट नंबर 1 करेंगे, बिल्कुल बेसिक से। चलो देखते हैं। क्लास 11th स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 1। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है, फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पॉइंट्स 6 minus 4 and 3 0. That means when 2 points are given, then how can we find the distance between the 2 points? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, ध्यान दो। सो दिस इज ए फॉर्मूला। सपोज करो कि ए कोई पॉइंट है, दिस कोऑर्डिनेट इज व्हाट x1 y1, एंड दूसरा पॉइंट सपोज कीजिए बी आपके पास है जिसका कोऑर्डिनेट है x2 y2। देन दिस इज द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला, दैट इज ए बी इक्वल टू व्हाट x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this root under. So if the point A given coordinate x1 y1, point B given coordinate x2 y2, then we can find AB. Distance between A and B is AB what? x2 minus x1 whole square, that is difference of x coordinate, or you can say abscissa whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is difference of y coordinate, or you can say difference of ordinate whole square, root under. Okay, so in the same way, suppose our point is given here, A is given what? Here A is given suppose 6 minus 4. So this is A coordinate 6 minus 4 and B is given how much? 3 0. So our right answer AB is what? That is x2 3 and x1 6. So this is 3 minus 6 whole square plus again y2 0 and y1 minus 4. So 0 minus minus plus. So what is this? 0 plus 4 whole square. Now this is root under. You know 3 minus 6 is what? Minus 3. Minus 3 is square is what? 9. Here what? 0 plus 4, 4. 4 square is what? 16. So this is 16 plus 9, that is square root of 25. So this is what? 5. So you can write this is the 5 unit. So distance between AB, that is the point A given 6 minus 4, second point 3. Suppose A, first point is A, 6 minus 4 coordinate, second point A, B coordinate 3 0. Then the distance between A and B is what? AB equal to x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus minus plus. So 0 plus 4 whole square. So this is what? 3 minus 6 minus 3 square is what? 9. And 0 plus 4, that is 4 square is what? 16. So correct answer is 5 unit. So this is the first question. Now see question number 2. So question 2 is what? Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A and B internally in the ratio of 1:3. Suppose there is any point, suppose any point A given whose coordinate is what? x1 y1, and other point is what? B whose coordinate is given x2 y2. And suppose P, suppose let P divides AB. Let P divides AB in the ratio of suppose m is to n. Then coordinate of P, that is coordinate of P equal to what? Your formula is mn. So m x2, this is m, this is x1 y1 A point, x2 y2 B point, and there is a P which divides AB in the ratio of 1 m is to n ratio. Then our formula is mx2 plus nx1, that is m multiply x2 plus n multiply x1, and this divided by what? That is m plus n when it divides internally. And in the same way y coordinate is what? my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the basic formula when A coordinate given, B coordinate given, and P is any point which divides AB in the ratio of m is to n internally. If this divide internally, then coordinate of P equal to what? mx2 plus nx1 divided by n plus n. And y coordinate what? my2 plus ny1 divided by n plus n. So here the question, find the coordinates of point, divide the line joining A. So here A is given what? 1 minus 3. B is given what? Minus 3, 9. And the ratio is given 1:3, that is m is 1, n is 3. So we can write direct P equal to what? mx2. So m is what? 1. So 1 into what? Minus 3. And this is n. So 3 into what? That is x2. m1 x2 and this is n x1. So this is 3 into 1. So this is plus 3 into 1. And here sum of ratios, so 1 plus 3. Right? Again you see this is 1:3 A and B. So this is m is to n. So this is m into x2, that is 1 into minus 3. In the same way, this is n into x1, 3 into 1y, 1 plus 3. Now what is the y coordinate? Again you see m1 into y2, that is 1 into 9. So this is 1 into 9 and plus n is given 3. So 3 into what? y2. y2 is what? Minus 3. So this is minus 3 divided by sum of the ratio, that is 1 plus 3. So minus 3 and plus 3. So this is what? Minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So 0 by anything is 0. So this is 0. Here 9 and this is minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So 9 minus 9 also 0. So 0 by 0. And so P is what? 0, 0. So P is the point which divides AB in the ratio 1:3 internally. So our correct answer is what? 0, 0. Okay? Good. Now you see the next question, that is third. So third question is what? You find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A1 minus 3 and B minus 3, 9 in the ratio of 1:3 externally. That means here this point divide externally. Okay. So what is the formula? If suppose there is a point A, x1, y1 and other point B that is given x2, y2 and that P divides AB externally. P divide AB externally in the ratio of m:n. Then coordinate of P equal to what? That is same format mx2. Here minus. When there is a externally, then we take minus. So mx2 minus nx1 and divided by m minus n. Same here my2. So this is my2 minus ny1 and divided by m minus n. So m is what here? 1. So this is 1 into what? That is mx2. So 1 into minus 3. So this is 1 into minus 3. And then minus n into x1, that is 3 into 1. So this is 3 into 1. And divided by m minus n. So this is 1 minus 3. Again my2. So that is 1 into 9. So this is 1 into 9. Right? 1 into 9. And then you see this is what? m1 y2 and now n1 x y1. So 3 into what? Minus 3. So minus 3 into minus 3. And divided by what? That is 1 minus 3. So here what is format? Minus 3 minus 3, that is minus 6 by minus 2. And here 9 and minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 what? That is 18 divided by minus 2. So what we get? This minus minus cancel. 2 3 is 6. Here this is 2 9 is 18. So 3 minus 9. So coordinate of P is what? 3 minus 9. So when A given, B point given and P divides AB externally in the region given, then same formula but sign will be different, minus. So mx2 minus x1 m minus 1 my2 minus ny1 m minus n. We can solve this question. तो इस तरह से हमने 1 2 3 3 क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल बेसिक स्ट्रेट लाइन पार्ट 1 11th क्लास का हमने लिया था और उम्मीद है कि आपको बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया होगा. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन गो फॉर कमेंट ऑल्सो. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई विल सॉल्व इन द पार्ट 2. अब इसके बाद जो क्वेश्चन है उसको हम पार्ट 2 क्वेश्चन में पार्ट 2 में करेंगे आपका. थैंक यू.